Happy 2025, everyone. In today's video, I just wanted to share what I am doing on January 1st, 2025. This is my weekly, monthly planner that I'm using for home organization, a little bit of art journaling on a daily basis. So I am hoping to keep this up every day and maybe do a little short video of what my plans are. In another video of mine, I showed you this planner. It's actually from 2020 and I am using it for 2025. I realized that some of the dates do match up to 2025, but not all. There is, I don't know if it's every 6 years, every 8 years, that they actually do match. But this was a planner I had given to my mom. She really didn't use it, and I had liked it, so I thought I would repurpose it for 2025. So this is the week spread, and it's from Monday through Sunday. Again, I'm not really looking at the dates. I have one planner that I use for work. This is just really a Monday through Sunday, what I do and what I'm planning to do using the Fly Lady system, as well as some art journaling. So here I have an envelope that I made, and I have that at the beginning of each month for that week where I'm going to be using or putting in like pieces of ephemera, etc. But as far as for January 1st, this is what I have for the Fly Lady system is my Zone 1. I'm going to be doing my weekly home blessing, which I already started. I have one of those robot vacuum cleaners, so that's already done the laundry room. It's done the den. It's now doing my master bed and bathroom. I'll have it do the living room and kitchen once that's done. And that's about it. The rest of the other 2 rooms are carpet. So that is going on. I have laundry room, clean under and behind the appliances. So I will do that. I have laundry going on. Did my part of my weekly blessing is changing the sheets. So already did that. Then have I think 2 other loads of laundry that I'm going to be doing. So that'll be done. And then once laundry is done, then I'll go ahead and I'll do the clean under and behind the appliances. Then my main entrance is what I'm going to do today. And then some weekly meal prep. And here I have Look at Forks Over Knives magazine and my slow cooker recipe books. And what I also decided to do is I showed in the other video of this planner, the theme for January was Fresh Start. And I thought I would also do a theme of the year. So for 2025, my theme I guess it's my theme, is hopeful. So just being hopeful of different, personal things, work things, etc. So that's my theme for the year, is being hopeful. And so every month I will come up then with another theme, and I'll put this, write it on this little note card and keep it as my bookmark. So then I have here the rest of the week what it is that I want to do. But I'm going to go ahead and show you, for example, the Forks Over Knives magazines that I have. I usually get these at Sprouts, but they also have them for free on probably at your library, at least at my library on Libby. It's an app. I can download audiobooks, books, magazines, and I know that they have these, but I like to have paper. So these are the 3 magazines that I have. And so I'm going to go through them, see what kind of recipes that I might want to make. So they have quite a few soups. This looks like it's this. This one is actually, I think this one, it's a back by demand, like all their best recipes. So that's probably why there might be a repeat in some of them. And this is all based on a whole food, plant-based diet. Because that's what I plan on doing also this year. I started it last year, and I want to say in the summer, it kind of went downhill. Still didn't really eat too much meat, but I do want to go back to whole food, plant-based. So those are the magazines. So I'll be going through those today and just jotting down recipes, because tomorrow I am off work and it's going to be my food shopping day. So today is just mostly being in the house, doing my weekly home blessing, some cleaning, some crafting, and that's about it for today. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hope your 2025 is full of joy and blessings, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.